Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this version of Vanguard requires secure boot in Valorant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta find your search bar and type down system information. Okay, click on this option. Now, gotta find your baseboard product and manufacturer. You should be able to see right here ASRock B550 Pro or your motherboard's name. Okay, so all you got to do is just remember these two things. So close it. Now open up your favorite browser. What you'll do is just find enable secure boot. Okay, space, for example, ASRock B550 M Pro 4. Okay, hit on enter. And then once that's done, you'll be able to see a ton of options right here on how to enable your secure boot. First up, you need to open up your BIOS. But if you want a step-by-step guide, you can just go ahead and find your manufacturer's website, okay? Just like this one right here for Asus or ASRock, sorry. Now you'll find these steps, okay? Open up your BIOS and press F2 or delete, which in my case, I'll have to press delete or F2 to what? Open up my BIOS. And then I'm gonna go ahead over to CSM and disable CSM. And once CSM is disabled, we're going to go ahead over to security and enable secure boot. Make sure that you select custom and install default secure boot keys. Click on yes. All right. And then once that's done, all you got to do is just go ahead and restart your computer. Okay. You'll have the boot option right here, save and restart. And then after that, you're good to go. That's just how simple it is to fix this version of Vanguard requires secure boot in Valorant. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.